This plant here is yellow sweet clover, a legume which was introduced from Eurasia and which is very common throughout Australia, Africa, and North America. It is very adaptable and can grow as an annual, winter annual, or biennial and flowers through the spring and summer. The plant usually grows rather tall and large and has a thin, neatly branched stem. The stem is green and totally smooth. The plant has trifoliate leaves which are dark green in color. The leaves are hairless and are serrated along their whole margin. Each branch of the stem is topped with a single flower spike. The spikes are composed of small yellow flowers which droop downwards and are not too tightly bunched together. The flowers produce small green seed pods once pollinated, and it only reproduces via seed. The plant grows off a large, deep taproot and is often found in dense groups. True to its name, sweet clover has a very distinct sweet odor. This plant is nearly identical to white sweet clover, the only notable difference being the flower color and shape of the seed pods, and as a result, the two are generally considered to be the same species. The two are usually found growing next to each other. This plant likes disturbed soil and needs full sun. It struggles to grow where there is a canopy of plants taller than itself, but once established, it will rapidly take over and crowd out smaller plants. Young plants are edible, but dead or moldy plants will contain coumarin, a blood anticoagulant that is very harmful to cattle. Sweet clover is often confused with alfalfa, as the two are very difficult to distinguish before they produce flowers. However, alfalfa leaves are only serrated along the upper half of their margin, as opposed to sweet clover's full serration. Once alfalfa blooms, the difference will become obvious, as it sports a more irregular clump of distinct purple flowers.